here to spill the tea on healthy living. And today's topic is super important, especially if you're on a journey to, reverse the effects of some not-so-healthy habits. We're diving deep into the world of lung cleansing, particularly after smoking. If you're a smoker or know someone who is, this video is a must-watch. We're about to unlock the secrets to healthier, happier lungs. So buckle up and get ready for some serious health inspo. Alright, let's kick things off with the OG detoxifier water. It's the simplest yet most effective way to cleanse your body from the inside out. You know how everyone's always like, drink more water, it's good for you? Well, there's a reason for that. Water is essential for almost every function in our body, from digestion to circulation. Well, they're not wrong, especially when it comes to your lungs. Your lungs are constantly working to keep you breathing, and they need all the support they can get. Think of your lungs like a sponge. When you smoke, all those nasty toxins get trapped in there, making it all gunky and gross. Over time, this can lead to serious health issues. Water is like the ultimate rinse cycle. Just like how water can wash away dirt and grime from your hands, it can help cleanse your lungs from the inside. It helps to thin out the mucus in your lungs, making it easier to cough up all that gunk you don't want hanging around. This is especially important for smokers or those exposed to pollutants. Plus, staying hydrated keeps your airways moist, which helps your lungs function at their best. When your body is well hydrated, it can better fight off infections and keep your respiratory system in top shape. It's like giving your lungs a refreshing spa treatment from the inside out. Imagine the feeling of a cool, refreshing drink on a hot day. That's what your lungs experience when you stay hydrated. Aim for 8 glasses a day, or even more if you're feeling extra parched. Remember, your body loses water throughout the day through activities like breathing, sweating, and even talking. Trust me, your lungs will thank you for it. Not only will you feel more energized, but you'll also notice improvements in your overall health. So grab that glass of water and start sipping your way to better lung health today. Okay, so we've hydrated our way to cleaner lungs, but the journey doesn't stop there. Hydration is just the first step in ensuring our lungs are in tip-top shape. Now, it's time to take things up a notch and really get those lungs working. It's time to get those bodies moving. Physical activity is crucial for maintaining healthy lungs. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, incorporating regular exercise into your routine can make a world of difference. Exercise is like a superhero workout for your lungs. Imagine your lungs donning a cape and mask, ready to take on the world. When you engage in physical activities, you're essentially giving your lungs a power boost. When you work out, your heart rate and breathing increase, which forces your lungs to work harder. This increased demand for oxygen means your lungs have to expand and contract more rapidly, giving them a fantastic workout. This is where the magic happens. As your lungs work harder, they become more efficient at oxygenating your blood and removing carbon dioxide. Over time, this can lead to improved lung function and overall better health. Regular exercise, especially aerobic exercises like running, swimming, or even brisk walking, can actually help to increase your lung capacity. These activities get your heart pumping and your lungs working at full capacity. That means your lungs can take in more oxygen with each breath, making them more efficient at doing their job. Imagine being able to take deeper, fuller breaths with ease. It's like upgrading your lungs to a more powerful model. And let's be real, who doesn't want a lung capacity that would make a marathon runner jealous? Increased lung capacity can enhance your endurance and stamina, making everyday activities feel like a breeze. Plus, exercise helps to strengthen the muscles involved in breathing, making it easier to clear out any lingering toxins. Activities like yoga and resistance training can also contribute to better lung health by promoting deep, controlled breathing. So ditch the excuses and get moving. Whether it's a morning jog, a swim at the local pool, or a fun fitness class with friends, find an activity you enjoy and stick with it. Your lungs and your whole body will be thanking you for it. Not only will you feel better physically, but the mental benefits of regular exercise are undeniable. So lace up those sneakers and start your journey to healthier lungs today. We've hydrated, we've exercised, and now it's time to talk about the fuel that powers those lung-cleansing superpowers. Food. The right nutrition can make a world of difference in how well your lungs function and how resilient they are against pollutants and infections. That's right. What you eat can actually help to repair and protect your lungs from damage. Foods rich in essential nutrients and antioxidants can act as a natural defense mechanism, helping to keep your lungs in top shape. Think of it like this. Your body is a temple, and you gotta nourish it with the good stuff. Just like you wouldn't put low-quality fuel in a high-performance car, you shouldn't fill your body with junk if you want it to run. Focus on incorporating foods that are rich in antioxidants, those little warriors that fight off harmful free radicals in your body. These free radicals can cause oxidative stress, which can damage your lung tissues over time. Berries, leafy greens, and colorful veggies are your new best friends. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support lung health and overall well-being. And colorful veggies are your new best friends. Think of vibrant bell peppers, rich in vitamin C, or deep green spinach, loaded with iron and other essential nutrients. And don't forget about foods rich in vitamin C, like oranges. Vitamin C is crucial for maintaining the health of your respiratory system and can help reduce the severity of respiratory conditions. And grapefruits, which can help to boost your immune system and protect your lungs from infection. Citrus fruits are not only refreshing but also packed with nutrients that support your body's natural defenses. Eating a healthy diet is like giving your lungs a shield of armor against all the bad stuff. When you consume a variety of nutrient-dense foods, you provide your body with the tools it needs to fight off harmful invaders and repair any damage. So ditch the junk food and embrace the power of whole, nutritious foods. By making smart food choices, you can enhance your lung health, boost your energy levels, and improve your overall quality of life. Remember, every bite you take can either fuel your body or deplete it, so choose wisely and eat the rainbow for vibrant health. And there you have it, my friends. 3 proven ways to cleanse your lungs after smoking. Remember, taking care of your lungs is an act of self-love, so drink that water, get moving, and fuel your body with the good stuff. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. And as always, stay beautiful, stay healthy, and keep shining your light.